Hey everyone, it's Stephanie from the Blend team. In this video, I'm going to walk you through one of our community's favorite features, the Blend Library. Our reading specialist, Summer, has curated and created over 100 decks and playlists to help you get the most out of Blend. Whether you're looking to save time planning, scaffold your drills, or target a specific skill, the library has you covered. We're adding new resources all the time, so be sure to check back often to see what else we've added to our collection. First, let's talk about which devices we recommend for using Blend. Blend works on all browsers on desktop, laptop, tablet, and smartboards, but we don't recommend using it with mobile devices or tablets in portrait mode. All right, let's get started. First, let's take a look at how to browse the Blend library. From our website, blendreading.com, click on Library in the top menu. This will take you to a gallery where you can explore all of the available decks and playlists. Let's start with decks. You can scroll through each section using the arrow buttons at the bottom, and you'll see the title of each item along with a quick preview. To see more details, just click on the image or hit More Info, and here, for example, we can check out the graphemes included in the Welded Sounds deck, or take a closer look at the Doubling Practice deck. Now let's see how easy it is to bring one of these decks into the Blend app and start using it right away. To import a deck from the Blend library, we'll click on the deck image to open its detailed view. Let's go ahead and add the Welded Sounds deck to my Blend account. First, we need to make sure that we're logged in, and I'll go ahead and log in now. A quick note, if you are using Blend Basic, you can have one custom deck which includes anything you import from the library, but if you are a Blend Pro user, you can import and create as many decks as you'd like, and we do have a 7-day free trial for first-time Blend Pro users. All right, now that I'm logged in, I can head back to the Welded Sounds page and click the green Import button. You'll see a success message confirming that the deck was added to your account, and from there I can jump straight into the app by clicking the link in the message. That will take me to the Blend app homepage where all of my custom decks live, and here it is, the Welded Sounds deck we just imported. Let's try it out. We've got the initial sounds and of course our welded sounds, and I can use the deck like any other just by tapping on the graphemes to build words and start my blending drill. You can absolutely use the deck as is, which is a great way to save time, but if you'd like to customize it, you can edit any imported library deck or even make a copy to work from. Here I'll add to this deck by simply adding an ending S. I'll hit save, and now it's ready to use in our drills. Next, let's check out the playlist library. Back on the Blend website, we'll navigate to the library again from the top menu, and we can click on Playlist Library at the top of the gallery to jump straight to our curated playlists. The playlist library follows a standard scope and sequence crafted by our reading specialist, starting with common consonants and vowels and building all the way up to ending patterns, diphthongs, and coming soon, even morphology. Playlists in the library are even easier to use because they're integrated directly into the Blend app, and we're working on an update to bring that same streamlined experience to decks, so please stay tuned. I've found a playlist that I want to use, so I'll click on the image to open its detailed view. And here, instead of an import button, you'll see Open in Blend. Clicking that will take me straight to the playlist homepage in the Blend app. And once there, I can click on Blend Library next to my Playlists tab. Another quick note, if you are on the Blend Basic plan, you'll get access to only the first 3 playlists, so you can check out what a playlist looks like. But with Blend Pro, you'll have full access to the entire playlist library. From here, I want to find the voiced TH playlist I was just looking at, and instead of scrolling through everything, I'll use the search bar at the top to quickly filter by its title. This search bar is super helpful when you're targeting a specific skill. You can just search for what you need in the Blend library and you're ready to grab and go. From here, we can hit play and just jump into a pre-made blending drill. Just like with decks, you can always use these playlists as is. They'll already save you tons of time when planning your drills. But let's say I want to customize one of these playlists for one of my students. From the Blend Library tab, you can click the Copy button to create your own editable version of any playlist. Here I'm going to extend the voiced TH playlist just to make the drill a little bit longer. So I'll just add a few more words here, and you can see that only took me a few seconds, and I can go ahead and save my custom playlist and see the extra words that I added right at the end. That's going to be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'm sure you can see how powerful the Blend library can be. It's going to save you so much time in creating and reusing your drills, and we hope it helps you get up and running in your classroom so quickly and maybe even inspires you to create new lessons and work on awesome new skills with your students. Thanks for watching. Please let us know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see for Blend, and until next time, happy blending!